Hey everybody, so we're here to dust, sweep, and vacuum your home. So I'm here, my little rag, and
we got all our equipment ready to go. Basically what we're doing here is just protecting your family's health, appliances, floors, everywhere that these dust particles are going to get in and create problems.
So you want to do this, HomeManager says every about 6 months. We live in a really windy place, so we like to do it a little bit more often, but yeah.
We're always doing construction and crazy stuff too that gets a lot of these particles gathered up, and that's what we're here to fight against. So the first step in this task mainly is to get all the high spots, the light fixtures, anything on the ceilings, the corners of the walls, stuff like that. So we have this tool, which is a t-shirt over a broom. Works really well. That's what we found to do the best for the high spots. And then as you work your way down, you're gonna get your curtains, your plants, anything kind of on the walls, and work your way to the floor, and then do the finishing touches on the floor.
Yeah, and with the plants and stuff, I like to use just a damp rag. You don't want to use any cleaners or anything to be harmful for your plants, but feel free to use any homemade stuff or any cleaners to dust as you go.
So the next and kind of final step here is to hit the floors now that all the dust is settled to the bottom, and we're finishing it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and get a lot of the big stuff gathered up, thrown away, and then Becca will take over.
Yeah, since we have pets, we find that we get a lot of dog and cat hair and stuff, so that's especially important. And then you want to just vacuum the rest of it all up. The other thing that I like to do before I'm done cleaning is to clean the filter in the vacuum. I feel like that's especially important, so then it's ready for the next time you vacuum. So I think we'll get started on doing that, and then
finish it up, and we'll see you guys on the next task.